You feel the love in your heart, but you don't know what to say.
Okay, let me just do my intro. I'm going to take you off speaker, okay? And then I'll put you back. Wait! My Sweets just 21 just messaged me.
Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, but without further ado, because my friend's now ranting at me, screaming at me through the phone, I need to listen to her. She has a lot of opinions that want to be heard. Let's get on to this video. Well, bam! You can continue now. I'll put the username on the screen! So I took the Bourjois Paris Hyper Mix Serum Foundation and the Urban Decay Naked Skin One Done Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, I'm slowly talking down. I combined those two together. Yeah, finding a foundation that's my shade is really hard. The only foundation I have is one by NARS in the shade Gobi. It's one of their sheer glow foundations. It's just impossible to find me a foundation. Then I took the CoverGirl Gorgeous Concealer in the lightest available shade. Good!
Because I am ugly.
You're not ugly! Then my friend tried to convince me that she was ugly and I was like, you're not. Okay, just calm down, you're not ugly. Basically, I applied the concealer under my eyes, forehead, nose, and on my blemishes, anywhere I wanted to highlight and cover my imperfections. It doesn't really do a good job at coverage-wise, like for your blemishes, but highlighting, it's really good. Then I took this powder from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Nude BB Magique or something like that powder, and it's in the shade Light. And I just put that all over my face. So then I took my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, put that all over my face. I just like to do that before I apply other powder. And then I took the Hourglass Bronzer in the shade Luminous Bronze and applied that on my cheeks and on my jaw and my temples and a little on my forehead. And then I also went over with another bronzer from Bourjois Paris. It's one of the chocolate ones and it's in the shade Light. And I basically mainly went over my nose with this one and just blended the rest of the other bronzer out because this one is very, very light and sheer. And then for my blush, I took this Too Faced Love Lash Blush in the shade How Deep Is Your Love and put that on my cheeks. Then I took the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette and I used the shade Forever Lit. This is literally my favorite highlighting palette. Then I took this Bare Minerals palette. This is from 2016, so unfortunately it's not available anymore, but any taupe, champagne, and dark smoky colour will do. I put the first colour in my crease as my transition shade, then I went in with the champagne colour on my lid, and then took the darker shade on the outer corner and a little into the crease. And then I also took a, I don't know if it's an eyeliner brush or an eyebrow brush, I use it for both. And I just kind of tight lined my eyelid and lower lash line with the darker shade. And then I took also the white shade and I put it in my inner corner to highlight my eyes. But then I decided to take the shade Ultra from the Urban Decay After Dark palette and apply that on top. Then I took this mascara from Australis, it's a collab with K-pop, and I applied that on my top and bottom lashes. Then for my eyebrows, I used the Maybelline Master Brow Pro palette, and I applied the wax first and then the powder on top. I don't care for the highlighting shade in it, it is not good in my opinion, so I don't use it. Then I took one of Too Faced's long wearing liquefied melted lipsticks in the shade Chihuahua and I put that on my lips. And then that was the finished look. I have no idea what's coolest for you. I think I've decided it was Instagram inspired makeup, but really it's not. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd be sure to give a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all next time in the next one. Bye!